you ever wondered how fast a forest can grow? Bamboo holds the record as the fastest growing plant. Some species can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. How about we grow our knowledge together? Comment your favorite plant below. Straight from the plant kingdom to the world of colors, did you know that the human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors? But here's something even more colorful. Butterflies can see a spectrum of colors invisible to humans, including ultraviolet. Talk about a vibrant worldview. Let's talk a bit of history. The longest war in history between the Netherlands and the Isles of Scilly lasted from 1651 to 1986. That's 335 years. But don't worry, there were no casualties because everyone forgot they were at war. Here's a curious linguistic fact. There's a language in Botswana that consists of 5 primary click sounds. Known as Xu, it's considered one of the world's hardest languages to learn. Imagine mastering that pronunciation. And finally, to pique your curiosity further, ever wondered how the universe sounds? NASA has recorded the sound of stars, and they actually sing in the radio frequency range. Music is truly universal. These were a few more unusual facts from Creative Hourglass. We will meet again. Have a fantastic day.